We're using 3 layers as showcase to create this simple head wrap. So you're going to divide your material into 1090. Then we're going to have it like that. Make foundational pleat. 3 is fine, but if you can control 4, you can go ahead. You're going to cross the excess backward like this, and you're going to knot it. We're going to knot it in the way that the 10 part is going to end at the back. Then we're going to be left with only the 90 part. Make sure that your pleats are well laid at the front. Now picking up the 90 part straight up like this and pleating it down in a raw form. Just pick the pleats, they are already laid. Just use your hand to grab them closely to each other, and you're going to have a neat one. Make sure it is neat. Trace the pleat down, make it very neat again. Now you're going to place it directly on the previous pleat you made, which is going to be the last one. Now pick up an office pin and secure it down with the previous pleat, one of the pleats you made earlier. Please watch the way it is placed. If you notice it didn't reach the back, I mean the pleat I made, so the remaining part I have for the side, I'm going to fold it like this. Please just watch the way it is being done because my explanation might not do justice. Now fold it and replace your hand with an elastic band, grabbing the edges and securing it down with part of the pleat you made there. Now the next thing you're going to do is, you see this remaining one that we have out of the band, we're going to stretch the angles out gently and secure it down with an office pin to both edges. This is the first edge. I'm going to secure it down and I'll go to the other part. Repeat the same process by pinning it down. Okay, now it's time for me to use my hand to adjust all necessary parts. I'm going to adjust all adjustables. Then I will have my final look to be like this after shifting to the back, and I have the final look like this. Guys, this is so simple to do. Just watch and learn how it is being done. Thanks for watching.